Amenable. Amenable. Willing to accept or be influenced by a suggestion. Once upon a time, there was a cat named Mittens who lived in a small house with her owner, a kind and patient woman named Emily. Mittens was a mischievous cat and loved to play and explore. However, she had a tendency to knock over vases, scratch the furniture, and get into things she wasn't supposed to. Emily tried everything she could think of to stop Mittens' destructive behavior, but nothing seemed to work. One day, she met a wise old cat named Smudge who lived down the street. Smudge had lived a long and adventurous life and was known for his knowledge and experience. Emily told Smudge about Mittens' mischievous ways and asked for his advice. Smudge suggested that she try to make Mittens more amenable to following the rules by using positive reinforcement and patience. Emily followed Smudge's advice and, over time, Mittens became more amenable to following the rules. She learned to control her mischievous ways and became a well-behaved cat. Emily was grateful for Smudge's help and was amazed at how making Mittens more amenable to following the rules transformed her into a great pet. From that day on, Emily and Mittens lived happily together, and their home was never disturbed by Mittens' mischievous ways again.